Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the theme of your Inkscape to a darker one like one on the Adobe Illustrator. But before I start, I just want you to check that what version of Inkscape do you have, because this one only works in Inkscape 1.0. To check, you just go to help, about Inkscape, and it will show you what version you have. I have 1.0 as you see, so it will only work in 1.0. Okay, so to change the theme, you go to edit, preferences, click preferences, and under the interface select theme. Under the theme you come to theme changes, and if you check use dark theme, you'll see that everything is turned dark and the dark grayish color. And if you want to change this icons also, you can just check use symbolic icons, and that looks better. Okay, so you can also change the toolbox icon size, control bar icon size, and there are also other settings, but for now I just had to show you how you can change the theme of your video. So thanks for watching. I know it was a short video, but see you next time. Bye.